Is it okay if I wear my specs and record? It's just convenient. I can see things clearly. But I know it glares, like you can see the ring light right over my eyes, which may be very distractive. But do let me know if you're comfortable if I wear specs and record. Just let me know in the comment section. Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. आज के वीडियो में I'm going to do a perfume haul and again I have 4 new viral fragrances from these amazing Middle Eastern brands Latafa and Paris Corner. All of these 4 perfumes I have purchased from ScentopiaPerfumes.com. I do have a non-affiliated code with them. If you're interested in getting some discount, I will leave all the details here. It's a non-affiliated code. I'm not earning a penny out of it, so feel free to use it or not. Let's begin with the video. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया, you've hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. ऑब्वियसली सबसे पहले तो मैं इसी से स्टार्ट करना चाहती हूँ. आई हैव पेट्रा फ्रॉम लताफा एंड आई ट्रूली वॉन्ट टू थैंक ScentopiaPerfumes.com फॉर ब्रिंगिंग ऑल द लेटेस्ट वायरल launches from these Middle Eastern houses because यार viral होता था ना, it used to take more than 6 months for these perfumes to reach in India. But you know what, thanks to ScentopiaPerfumes.com, they are bringing all the latest launches from all of these Arabic houses and bringing us also that goodness to experience. I'm very happy with this purchase. Now Petra has quickly creeped into my top 10 Latafas because oh my god, this literally takes you to a Mediterranean vacation. It is super gorgeous fragrance. First of all, the packaging comes in this plastic kind of a box. It's no more cardboard. It feels like a complete plastic box, and this just kind of looks like a very expensive crockery to me. Like, I am not going to throw this plastic ka dabba, I'm going to use this to kind of keep my perfume strips, to keep my perfume testers. I am going to get a good use of this box for sure. Now pulling out the Petra bottle, this is how gorgeous this bottle looks like. It has this same crockery pattern going on here and also on the cap. I love the pattern and details that is in here. Now Petra is your very sweet rum, plum, coconut meets tuberose kind of a fragrance. I think this also kind of qualifies in the white creamy floral category, which is currently just going on. And I think this one is also inspired by Quattro Pizzi from the house of Xerjoff, and this is an addictive fragrance. The rum, plum and coconut are the stars for me in this perfume. Tuberose is in the mid notes, but it is very much in the background. The rum, plum and the coconut and the sweetness is just taking complete control of this fragrance. This is something that you can definitely wear in summer as well as in winters. It is such a universally flattering fragrance, and if you kind of love yourself a nice boozy floral fragrance, you are definitely going to like this one. Like, this is such an experience. It is such a long lasting, such a good performing fragrance. For the price, this is one of the best Latafa fragrances in the market, and I can see the hype around it. And I can relate to that hype because I have also fallen in love with the scent profile. The next viral perfume that I have is Latafa Ethereal. Now the packaging itself has my heart. Like, look at this honeybee sitting here in her, like the queen sitting here in her honeycomb. Like, oh my gosh, this is super cute. I don't want to throw this box. Like, I want to use it somewhere. It's so artistic. I really appreciate the effort that are put into this packaging. Look at this bottle. It's a glass bottle, but it has this honeycomb pattern made all over it, like on the top, on the bottom. Just see how fascinating this bottle is. And you see the Athiri written right here. This has such a gorgeous vibe to it. Like, I am in love with this bottle, especially this bee sitting here. Super cute. Yeah, I love this packaging. Okay, and I love this perfume as well. Like, this fragrance is like a very sweet floral nectar kind of fragrance to my nose. It does have like this passion flower which is very strong in this, and I was expecting this to have a very strong honey note, but it has like a dewdrop note to it. I really don't know what that dewdrop note would be doing, because to me it feels like honey drops meeting the sweet floral nectars. and of course the passion fruit is very strong in here. It does have orchid and jasmine, which also brings in a nice floral touch, and then hints of vanilla and oud. So it is kind of like a very delicate, sweet, nectar, floral, honey kind of a fragrance. And this one is said to be a dupe of Gucci Flora Gorgeous Orchid. So it's inspired by that yellow bottle. So good, this is so good. ये ना बहुत delicate, बहुत feminine fragrance है. Like there is nothing unisex about it. It is a proper delicate feminine fragrance in my opinion. ये डेलिकेट है लेकिन लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है, बहुत प्रोजेक्टिव नहीं है. प्रोजेक्शन एंड सियार जिसका मॉडरेट लगा मुझे, बट इट इज़ अ लॉन्ग लास्टिंग फ्रेग्रेंस एंड यू डेफिनेटली गेट द विस्प ऑफ दिस in every 2 to 3 hours, a very delicate floral wisp. Okay, so I really am enjoying this fragrance a lot. मैंने जब इसको फर्स्ट टाइम स्निफ किया, मुझे लगा कि मैंने ये कहीं तो मतलब आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस दिस सिमिलर वाइब काइंड ऑफ अ फ्रेग्रेंस. आई एम सेइंग सिमिलर वाइब एंड दैट इज़ पैरिस कॉर्नर का फेलिसिटी. वो भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि एक फ्लोरल फ्रेग्रेंस है जिसमें नेक्टर मिक्सड है, फ्लोरल नेक्टर मिक्सड है. फील और इसका फील काफ़ी सिमिलर लगा मुझे एंड ये दोनों ही फ्रेग्रेंसेस फेलिसिटी बाय पैरिस कॉर्नर एंड ये वाला अ थ्योरी, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं they are kind of like the fragrances that you can wear for a bridal function. क्योंकि उसमें वो when you're wearing like a white gown or a pastel लहंगा, I think इस टाइप का फ्रेग्रेंस बहुत ही कॉम्प्लीमेंट करेगा उस ओकेजन पे. तो मुझे ये और फेलिसिटी दोनों ही थोड़े से सिमिलर लाइन्स में लगे. नेक्स्ट वायरल बॉम्ब इज फ्रॉम पैरिस कॉर्नर एंड दिस वन इज मोल्टन कैरमल. नाउ दिस वन इज फेमस बिकॉज दिस इज ड्यूपिंग Sol de Janeiro Chirosa 71, which is one of my personal favorite chirosas to use. That is one of the best Sol de Janeiro's mist in my opinion. My god, this is very lactonic. This is your sweet dripping caramel mixing up with some white chocolate, some nuttiness, some lactonic notes, milk, brown sugar, vanilla, all of that gourmand goodness is mixing in here. They have not mentioned any nuttiness in this fragrance, but to my nose I get that. I do get that kind of like that Brazilian nutty feel in this fragrance. This is mouth-watering good. Like when I use this fragrance, my partner wants to eat me up. It is sweet, it is delectable, it is absolutely stunner. It's sexy, it is so good for intimate times, and when I wear something like this, my partner cannot stop sniffing me, and that's the whole point of wearing this fragrance. So it's like gorgeous, super lactonic gourmand. Only if you are into those lactonic, thick, gooey, sticky, sweet fragrances, you're going to like this one. The last fragrance in today's haul is Date Caramel, and this one is duping Lush Sticky Dates. Now this one is very heavy on coffee and dates and sweetness. This also has sugar and caramel and vanilla and all of those sweet goodness out there, but the coffee and the dates are very heavy on this one. Now this is not a safe blind buy. This is a gourmand, but it's not for everyone because the coffee in here is super dominating. Like to my nose, coffee is the main star instead of dates. I would have preferred dates to be the main star here, but coffee is. On my skin, on my clothes, coffee just takes over all the other notes that you see here. So I feel that this is like a very heavy coffee dominating fragrance with dates, sweetness, woodiness working all in the background, but coffee taking the front seat. So this one is the last fragrance in today's haul. I know you will be waiting for all of these reviews because oh my god, I've gotten so many requests to kind of bring these perfumes on my channel. So I finally kind of decided, okay, let's splurge on perfumes again for you guys, and of course for myself. I also love, like I also kind of like love splurging on perfumes, so it was a win-win. So I love doing this haul, and everything I've purchased with my own money, no PR here. So I'm very excited to be kind of like filming the next videos that are coming to you, which is definitely these perfumes, like focusing on these perfumes. So stay tuned. If you love perfume content, why haven't you subscribed yet? You should be here. Join the family, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next one. Bye.